Are you having problems that your Bet Plus app is not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well then, this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix it myself. So the first thing we need to do is to go into our settings app on our phone. And as you can see now on your settings app, you're just going to scroll down and then click on general. So click on general. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. Scroll down in here, click on iPhone storage, or if it says storage for you, just storage and not iPhone storage, doesn't matter. And we're just going to wait for it to completely load here, as you can see. And it's just going to wait for this to complete all the apps. Might take a couple of seconds. And now scroll up until you can see the search bar up top. So click on search, search for Bet here, as you can see, and then click on the Bet Plus app here. Click then on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds. Just going to keep waiting here, and then click on reinstall app. So now what you need to do is to just wait for it to completely update to its latest version, and when it's done, just go back into the app, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.